Today I'm going to be making a video on spaghetti and meatballs. Pasta with meatballs made with pork, chicken, and beef, and tomato sauce. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. This is what it looks like right here. Not bad. I'm not a big fan of this, so I'll give this maybe like a 4 out of 10. And I don't like the meatballs, not at all. That's a 4 out of 10. It's just like the meatballs. I don't know, like, I can taste the chicken in them, and I don't like the chicken taste in the meatball. The pork in the meatball is fine. I like the pork, and I like that I like. I like that part. I don't like chicken. And I don't know. For me, I just don't. This just doesn't taste that good. Comment down below what your favorite Chef Boyardee brand is. Chef Boyardee flavor brand. And maybe I will go and try it.